there's a way we can actually speed this up. This is with a function, another function in Turtle, called turtle.speed, or in our case, t.speed. And what that does is whatever value we put inside, if Mark can do it, is whatever value we put inside of the brackets is going to speed up our turtle. If we put it high, it's going to make our turtle speed high. If we put it lower, it's going to make our turtle speed lower. But if we write out here, t.speed, we put, let's say, 150 in here, you can see our turtle is a little bit slow. It's making a really cool shape, but it's a little slow. Let's try rerunning the program with this, with this increased speed. There we go, a lot faster. And look at that cool shape. So this is something really, really cool that you can do in Python. Of course, this program is going to run for a really, really long time since Martin set it to 10,000. But you can make it lower, like 500, and it would still make this really, really cool shape. So it's something super cool that you can do in Python and with Turtle.